Hey there, Aaron here with Gro Lawn, uglyweeds.com. We don't take on every lawn, and I want to show you an example of a lawn that we wouldn't take on. We did come across a lawn like this. We'd notify the customer that they need to do some renovation before we can help them. Let me turn this camera around and let me show you an example of a yard that we wouldn't take on and what you should do. So this yard is full of Dallisgrass and Bluestem. And so this is a yard that we would really ask the customer to renovate the yard before we would continue, and we wouldn't take on this yard. So at Grow Lawn Ugly Weeds, we don't take on every lawn. This is a lawn that's in Burleson, Texas, and it's full of Dallisgrass and Bluestem. What we would do if we run across a lawn like this is we would call the customer and let them know, like, hey, we can't control these weeds in your yard. You need to renovate. There's just too much of it, and there is no selective control for Dallisgrass or Bluestem. So a yard like this is going to need renovation. So what I mean by renovation is that you're going to spray out all this Dallisgrass and Bluestem with Roundup, glyphosate. Going to take 2 to 3 applications to get rid of it, spaced out about 2 weeks apart in the growing season, and then we can help you after that. I mean, after all the dead areas are replaced. Now, some areas of the lawn that if you have really small areas of Dallisgrass and you can hit it with Roundup and just let the grass fill in over time, we do that all the time, so that's not a problem. But this yard is too far gone to take on as a customer for our lawn care program. And so if you want a lawn care company that's not just going to take your money, uglyweeds.com. We are the professionals in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Thanks. Bye.